This is our technology platform. We call it Dense Matrix LED. In there, what we have is a lot of different chips. They are kind of assembly very tightly together. With that, we can put them in different groups. Look at all these pins. We can control this LED cluster in many different groups. With that many different groups, you can set it into different color temperature, different color, different hue.
Your source for news from Cinegear 2018. Indie Shooter. Brought to you by Hideo, Band Pro, Blackmagic Design, Carl Zeiss, and Panasonic.
Hi, Clint with Indie Shooter, continuing our coverage of Cinegear 2018. I'm here with Brian of Fiilex. And Brian, talk a little bit about Fiilex. You said the company itself has been around for 30 years, right?
Yeah. So the company is called, the back-end, the parent company is called Dicom Fiber Optics. We've been in the photonic industry since 1986. We started with aligning laser into fiber optics, building components for the back-end optical network system. So we know lighting very well from a perspective, probably very different from the traditional lighting company. We look at lighting from a very microscopic scale.
High precision.
High precision, yeah.
So you guys moved into LEDs then at some point, and then you started working for making photo and video lighting, right?
Yes. So about 2002, we decided to diversify into a different market, and we find that we want to continue our knowledge in the lighting kind of photonic industry, understanding photon. So we start building this LED array. When we come into this market, we decided we want to do a cluster, a high power LED source. The smaller the source, the easier to shape and control the light later. That's sort of the key driving factor. This is our technology platform. We call it Dense Matrix LED. In there, what we have is a lot of different chips. They are kind of assembly very tightly together. With that, we can put them in different groups. Look at all these pins. We can control this LED cluster in many different groups. With that many different groups, you can set it into different color temperature, different color, different hue. So it's a hardware platform with control interface. You're able to create many different spectrums out there that people desire.
Talk a little bit about this light in particular. What are we looking at here?
So this light is a 340 watt, what we call the Matrix Generation 2 RGBW light. It's based on 4 different LED clusters. Each one is about 80 watts, similar to our very well-known P360 LED array. So this light, we are able to tune color temperature from 2800 to 10,000 K. We also have a separate mode that can do RGBW as well on that.
So with the clusters you're able to shape, are you able to preserve the quality of the light as far as the color and stuff like that, so that there's no inconsistency within those little bitty pieces?
Yeah. So I think the very unique thing about us is that each LED cluster, we're able to kind of calibrate to set the color for each array. So we put in a lot of intelligence memory into that. And one thing we do very different in our light versus a lot of kind of different panels in the industry is that if you look at a lot of panel LED in the industry, they have 4 or 5 LED chips, RGB or W. The 5 chip would be RGB, W tungsten, or WY. So when you have that, your color spectrum becomes very narrow, very spiky. So your eye may see the color, but the camera would become saturated quickly. So what we do is that we put in different shades of R. You know, there are different shades of R, different shades of blues, different shades of green. So we're able to expand the color spectrum and create a light that's a lot broader. So we'll bring in truer color. So not only we are high in CRI, but at the same time we're very high in TLCI, and which is more important to the camera sensor for this industry. Because our ability to integrate a lot of chips in there, we can able to calibrate to tunable color from daylight to tungsten continuously to the spectrum, or we can shift it to the other mode of RGB or the color mode. So it's a dual function light that depends on setting in there. You're able to do that.
And that's totally different than anything I've seen so far. So this device, so how many clusters does it have again?
So in there we have 4 different clusters. So if I turn this, dim it down, so you can see in this light, you can run through different colors, different shades of, from red to yellow to green, blue, aqua, purple, By simply turning the knob, you can select a lot of different colors.
I see in the back here we have like the hue, saturation, intensity.
So we have two modes. One is the CCT mode in here. So in the CCT mode, you can change the color temperature from tungsten to about 10,000 Kelvin. Double click HSI mode, and then you can go. As you turn, you're turning. You can pick different color, the color you desire for your set.
Are these lights DMX in and out, so we can daisy chain like several
You can
lights?
daisy chain them. It work. There's a 5-volt DC input output as well, so you can put in external wireless control to that as well. This has an external power ballast, so you can drive it with a 48-volt DC battery. That's a very kind of standard in the industry now. Or you can plug it in with a power adapter to running from a AC outlet. You can use this light with or without fresnel. So without fresnel, you can fill a softbox a lot nicer. With fresnel, you can create a more narrow light, use it as a bounce light to, on location, you can use the ceiling to bounce a light or use the wall to bounce a light. Reflector on that.
So are these available now, or?
So we're showcasing this light first time ever at Cinegear. We'll start shipping in about 6 to 8 weeks.
Oh, excellent. And what is the price point on this? Do you know?
The price point for the RGBW will be $29.95.
And where can people purchase? Do they purchase directly or through dealers? Or?
They can purchase through any of our dealers. So we have a vast dealer network in North America. So they can buy from any of our dealers.
So people want to find out more about Fiilex lights. Do you guys have a website or something like that?
Please, Fiilex.com, www.fiilex.com.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Your source for news from Cinegear 2018. Indie Shooter. Brought to you by Kitio, Band Pro, Blackmagic Design.